What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to open up your Xbox 360 controller. And for this, the only reason that you should be opening it is if you are going to mod your controller with a LED mod or rapid fire mod. I have done LED mods, as you've seen on my other videos. Yeah, I haven't seen that many on how to open it properly without damaging the screws or the buttons coming out, so I'm just going to show you how. For this, you're going to need a T8 security screwdriver, and if you don't have one and you're trying to open it up, don't use anything else to try and open it up. People have tried opening it up with a flathead and they have damaged the screws and they haven't been able to put them back in. And there are 7 screws in the controller right here, and then there's one under the sticker right here, and you just have to puncture it when you want to screw that one out. And I might put a video on how to mod or how to install the LEDs on the controller. I need to find something to holster my phone with because I'm recording from my phone. All these screws out. And this is a controller that I'm doing for somebody. I will have the finished controller in a video and show you guys. It's gonna look really cool. And I'm also I'm still accepting orders. I haven't gotten that many. And guys, this is a really good deal. Come on, $20 for a fully modded controller with lights and different colored pieces. If you want different buttons, like this one, I'm gonna have bullet buttons, like the real bullet buttons right here. It's gonna be a little bit more depending on what you want on it, but I can give you different color analog sticks and a D-pad and shoulder buttons and triggers, and this also, and this for $20 with lights, any of your choosing. Alright, when you want to take this off, don't take it off like this. You just pull a little bit on here. Just pull that off and then get the chip out. Don't do it like that because all the buttons will come out. What you want to do is just pull this off on the bottom. It comes right off. And then you can push the thumbsticks on the other side out and it'll just pop out like that. And that's how you do it. Sometimes this rubber will stick, so just put it on the buttons right here and you can put that aside, and that's how you take it off. Thanks, guys.